When it comes to wire stripping, the DeWalt 20V Max cordless cable stripper stands out for its efficiency and ease of use. This tool, priced at $180, is designed to make the task of cable stripping faster and safer. It's especially useful for electricians and DIY enthusiasts who deal with various wire sizes and types. The cordless design means you're not tethered to a power outlet, offering freedom of movement on the job. Its depth gauge consistently strips cables to the desired length, ensuring precision in every use. With its ergonomic design, it reduces the strain on your hands, a major plus for tasks requiring repetitive motion. As you marvel at the convenience this tool brings to cable stripping, let's see how the next gadget can make your DIY tasks even more efficient. Next in line is the Bosch Universal Tacker, a versatile and reliable tool for all your stapling needs. For around $50, this gadget is a must-have for anyone involved in upholstery, crafting, or light construction work. The Universal Tacker stands out for its ability to handle different types of materials with ease, from fabrics to thin wood. Its user-friendly design ensures minimal hand fatigue, making it ideal for projects that require extensive stapling. The tool's precision is noteworthy, allowing you to place staples exactly where you need them. Whether you're reupholstering a chair or putting up holiday decorations, the Bosch Universal Tacker is a handy tool to have in your arsenal. But don't get too comfortable with traditional tools, as the next gadget redefines versatility in a unique way. Let's explore the Loggerhead Tools Bionic Wrench, a revolutionary tool in the realm of wrenches, priced at approximately $30. This innovative gadget adapts to various sizes of bolts and nuts, eliminating the need for multiple wrenches. Its design is both intuitive and user-friendly, making it a favorite among both professionals and home tinkerers. The Bionic wrench grips the sides of a bolt or nut, distributing force evenly and reducing the chance of stripping or rounding fasteners. This tool is not only a space saver in your toolbox, but also a time saver in your projects. Its durability and efficiency make it a reliable companion for any tightening or loosening task. When it comes to precision and durability in your workshop, the Stanley 183-069 Max Steel Vise stands out. This robust tool, priced at around $50, is designed to offer a firm grip on your workpieces, making your projects more manageable and precise. The vise features a strong forged steel construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. Its swivel base allows for versatile positioning, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking to metalworking. Its clamping capacity is perfect for both professional and amateur craftsmen. The ease of use and the assurance of safety it provides make every project a delight. And if you think this is impressive, wait till you hear about the next gadget that's revolutionizing the way heavy objects are moved. Enjoying the video so far? Make sure you stick to the end, because the tools keep getting better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like so you don't miss out on any awesome gadgets. Comment below which types of gadgets you would like to see. Now, back to the video. The Zonzini Bodyy Lift Plasmat Dolly is not your average dolly. This high-tech gadget, priced at approximately $3,000, is designed to effortlessly transport items up and down stairs. It's a dream tool for those in logistics, construction, or anyone needing to move heavy equipment. The Bodyy Lift boasts an impressive lifting capacity and is equipped with advanced safety features to prevent accidents. Its easy-to-use interface and battery-powered system makes moving heavy loads a breeze. This dolly not only saves time and effort, but also reduces the risk of injury, making it a valuable asset in any heavy lifting scenario. Let's talk about the Union Spoke Tension Meter, a must-have for cycling enthusiasts and bike mechanics. Priced around $100, this tool is key to achieving the perfect ride. It accurately measures the tension of each spoke in a bicycle wheel, ensuring that the wheel is well balanced and true. This is crucial for both performance and safety. Whether you're a professional racer or a casual cyclist, this tool ensures that your wheels are in top condition, providing a smooth, efficient ride. It's lightweight, easy to use, and an essential part of any bike maintenance kit. Just when you thought cycling maintenance was all about tightening bolts and pumping tires, the Union Spoke Tension Meter brings a whole new level of precision to the table. The Stihl Pulsa 27P nail gun is a powerhouse tool that revolutionizes the way we think about nailing projects. It's a gas-powered nail gun designed for speed and efficiency in fastening tasks. The Pulsa 27P is particularly known for its rapid firing ability, capable of driving nails into hard materials with remarkable precision and strength. This tool is a boon for professionals, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a time-saving solution for tasks that traditionally require more manual effort. Priced at around $500, it's a significant investment, but its durability and performance justify the cost. The Stihl Pulsa 27P makes nailing an almost effortless task, and its robust design ensures longevity. As you marvel at the efficiency of the Pulsa 27P, get ready for a gadget that brings a magnetic twist to traditional tools. Next up is the Crea Magnetic Stud Finder, a tool that simplifies the task of locating studs behind walls. Unlike electronic stud finders, the Crea model uses powerful magnets to detect the material fasteners in studs, offering a simple yet effective solution without the need for batteries. This tool is not only reliable, but also incredibly user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and home DIYers. With a price tag of around $20, it's an affordable addition to any toolbox, ensuring you never have to guess where to drill or nail again. The Crea Magnetic Stud Finder takes the guesswork out of your projects, ensuring accuracy and safety. The H4 S501 Knife. This isn't just any knife. It's a meticulously crafted tool that balances functionality with sleek design. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this knife features a durable blade made from high-quality steel, ensuring sharpness and longevity. Priced at around $30, it offers great value, particularly for those who appreciate the art of precision cutting. Whether you're slicing through tough materials on a job site or preparing a meal in the kitchen, this knife is up to the task. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The H4 S501 Knife is a testament to the fusion of form and function in everyday tools. The Prof Clou cable holder is a testament to the elegance of simplicity in design. This tool, crafted to solve the ubiquitous problem of tangled cables, offers a neat and efficient solution for organizing wires and cords in your workspace or entertainment area. With its sleek and minimalistic design, the Clou cable holder fits seamlessly into any decor. The ease of use is one of its standout features. Just wrap your cables around it and voila! Clutter-free surfaces and a more organized look. Priced at approximately $25, it's a small investment for a significant improvement in your daily environment. This tool isn't just about organization, it's about transforming chaotic spaces into zones of zen-like calm. If you think this is neat, you just wait until you see the Tacker Tool heavy-duty yoke puller can do. Shifting gears, the Tacker Tool heavy-duty yoke puller is the epitome of strength and efficiency in the world of automotive tools. Designed to make the removal of heavy-duty yokes on drive shafts, transmissions, and rear-end differentials a breeze, this tool is a must-have for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its robust build ensures durability and reliability, even in the most demanding situations. Retailing for around $300, the Tacker Tool yoke puller is a professional-grade tool that promises to turn a challenging task into a straightforward one. Imagine saving hours of labor and avoiding the frustration of stuck yokes. This tool doesn't just make the job easier, it redefines efficiency in vehicle maintenance.